Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here with a little Amazon haul. I was bored, so I knew I needed a few things, so I decided to order them. So let's go ahead and see what I got. I'm not affiliated with Amazon or anything like that. I am just your happy homeowner that always needs a few things and thinks that ordering online is very nice and convenient. Okay, so here's my first thing. This is called Acne Free. It's dermatology inspired care. It's oil-free acne cleanser. 2.5 benzoyl peroxide acne treatment. It helps treat acne, prevent new acne, and it is fragrance free. This I found because I wanted to find like a dupe or something similar to Proactive. I am an adult that suffers with acne if I don't take care of my skin. So I have to be careful about the cleansers I use, the moisturizers I put on, and I do have to use an acne treatment at least every other washing. So, you know, like the fancy cleansers I get in my subscription boxes, I will use to remove my makeup, and then this I will use to treat my face. This is only about, stand by. So for 8 fluid ounces, this is $6.64. Now I will go ahead and link all of these things down below if you're interested in any of them. So yeah, this is a very reasonable price for something that works just as good as Proactive. The next thing is by Bonenno. It is a garlic press. It is premium quality, easy to use, and easy to clean. Now, I believe I got this for like $4.99. We're doing a lot of cooking, you know, with my Every Plate subscription going on, and garlic isn't everything. And I thought it would be nice, to have a garlic press. It's a lot easier than chopping it. You don't get it all over your fingers. It's nice. It just pushes the garlic right through the holes, and it's a nice smooth, like paste kind of thing. Real nice. So I'm very happy to finally get one of those. You know, it's the little things. Now, the next thing is by Carousel. It is the Intensive Foot Repair. Visible results in 1 day. It loosens hard, dry skin to exfoliate and deeply moisturize. It softens severely cracked heels and dry skin. That's what that looks like. Does more than a basic cream. It enhanced with an exfoliating ingredient, Carousel loosens and removes dry skin, unhealthy skin, and then moisturizes deeply to help restore healthy skin. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Now, this was recommended by a dermatologist on YouTube, Dr. Dre. So she gets into the nitty-gritty about products for our body. And very simple packaging. I can appreciate that because it doesn't really need to be fancy. It's a foot cream. So let's see what this smells like. Yeah, I take medication that dries out my skin, and your feet really get it. Okay, so it looks kind of like a gel. Yeah, it stays kind of slick. But yeah, this dermatologist recommended this product for rough, dry feet. She says it is the best thing. It's rubbing in slowly. Doesn't really have an odor. Now, when I get products like these, I will use them up and then save the empties. And then every few months, I do product reviews of products that I have been using. So I will give you my review on this product for sure. But I'm excited to get it because, you know, I need nice feet for poolside. Okay, now the last thing I got is by Bigelow. What does that say? Oh, hashtag tea proudly. Absolutely. It is tea, of course, mixed botanicals. This is a cold brew tea. Cold water infusion, it's called. It's getting warmer out. I'd like to have cold tea instead of hot tea all the time. Okay. We have watermelon cucumber mint. I forgot to tell you that the Carousel was $7.84, and my tea is $24.23 for all 6 boxes, and there's 18 bags in each box. So we have the watermelon cucumber mint, the blackberry raspberry hibiscus, strawberry lemon orange blossom. You know, and these would be really good for cocktails too, or even mocktails. Blueberry citrus basil, cranberry lime honeysuckle. That sounds really good. And then peach lemonade acai. I think I am going to whip up a glass of this cranberry lime juice and see how it is. I have my tea. It was very easy. It just says to just drop the tea bag in cold water and let it steep for 8 minutes and leave it in longer if you'd like a stronger flavor. So here we go. Yes, that is good. See, now this counts as drinking water. Tea, hot tea, cold tea, as long as it's pure tea, you are technically drinking water. And I do need to drink a lot of water. And you get tired of plain water. So that's why, you know, I'm always on the hunt for my favorite tea and, you know, different options. And I like this one. I'm getting ready for summer, see. So, yes. But yeah, I'm always on the lookout for different teas that I really like. You know, now it's summertime. It's getting, well, it's spring, but it is Oklahoma. So it does get very warm here quickly, and having a nice, refreshing drink by the pool is always nice. And on that note, I am very glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.